Hi everyone, so this is my room at Pop Century. It's been a little while since I stayed here the last time. This is a nice little table and chairs. That actually folds down into a Murphy bed, another double bed. Over there, you've got your double bed. Hardwood floors, much cleaner than the old carpet that used to be in these rooms. All brand new furniture, a nice, great big flat-inch TV screen. Got a coffee maker and refrigerator there with plenty of fixins for your coffee. And let's come over here. We've got some cute kind of retro Mickey Mouse artwork there above the bed. I don't have all the lights on, I'm sorry. There's me. Sorry about that. There's a light switch over here somewhere. I promise I'm gonna find it. There we go. Oh wow, nice big screen. That sink. That's great for washing your face and everything in the morning. You've got plenty of cabinet space, full-size ironing board, a little closet area with some shelves, more shelves down there. Extra linens are underneath. And then in here, I literally just checked in. I haven't touched anything in here. Clean bathroom with a pocket door, it looks like. Yeah, pocket doors. More extra linens. A walk-in shower with 2 shower heads, it looks like. And kind of an interesting drain system they've got going on. Well, over here you've got your H2O Plus shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which always smells amazing. Definitely a different kind of drain system here. And it's a sliding glass door. So these are the new Pop Century rooms. They seem really nice. A lot different than before, a little more space. The other thing I'm noticing are plenty of places to plug in your phones, your iPads, devices such as that. And I think, well, you can't see it right now because it's dark. It's after midnight that I just checked in. But I happened to snag a room overlooking the lake. So right over there, I can see the Cars area of Art Animation Resort. So I'm excited to checking it out in the morning, and I'll try and take some more video then. Have a great night. So little update, one thing I decided to add is with these beautiful new showers here at Pop Century, I just wonder, what do you do if you have kids and you want to give them a bath? You've got these really nice showers, but then look, it's just completely flat. It's just a shower. The other issue I'm having is I like to shave my legs, like many females. There's nothing to rest my foot on. Something right around there would have been a great spot for that, with some kind of ledge to put my foot up on. That's one of the nice things about having a tub, is you have a little something to rest your foot on while you're shaving your legs. I cut the hell out of my ankles, and as you can see, it just kind of bled all over the place. So that was fun. All right, folks, so it's morning at Pop Century. I just wanted to show you, I have this beautiful view outside of my door of the lake. Right across the lake is the Art of Animation Resort. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but yeah. The Cars buildings are right over there, so pretty cool. So over here in the 70's building, this is kind of the courtyard area. We've got these giant foosball men. I've got this big Mickey telephone right outside my building. Kind of cool. And then on the other side of the courtyard from my building, we've got a giant big wheel. I didn't know those were a thing in the 70's. I know in the 80's when I was a kid we definitely had those, so it's kind of fun. Just to show how close the 70's building is to the main building, that's the 70's area right there. That is the main building. We've got this cute little Mickey Mouse with the car set up over here for photos. That's the hippy dippy, the 60's building right there. So it's like a 5-minute walk.